History of the atom. Atomic theory, how we perceive atoms, has changed vastly over time, thanks to the work of scientists all over the globe. Here we will look at the main 5 atomic models over the last 200+ years. John Dalton, 1803, sphere, atoms are hard spheres. Atoms of the same element are identical. Combinations of different atoms make compounds. J. Thomson, 1904, plum pudding. Thomson discovered the electron in 1897. Atoms are made from electrons scattered through a sea of positive charge like plums in a pudding. Ernest Rutherford, 1911, nuclear, the atom is mostly empty space with a positive middle. He fired alpha particles at gold foil, some deflected but most passed through. Niels Bohr, 1913, planetary, electrons move around the nucleus in orbits of specific energy and size. Electrons fit into specific energy levels. Erwin Schrödinger, 1926, quantum, there are clouds called orbits where electrons exist. Electrons do not orbit in a predetermined path around the nucleus. Other notable discoveries, in 1932, James Chadwick proved that neutrons exist. He achieved this by carrying out a similar experiment to Rutherford's alpha